Yo, psst, hey, listen up real quick. I think I got this whole YouTube thing figured out finally, alright? After a couple years of research. Listen to me very carefully though. Forget all the technical mumbo jumbo, alright? Forget any mention of algorithm or algorithms. None of that applies. We're talking basic layman's terms here, people, okay? And one more thing before I begin. This is not for the successful YouTubers that have already made it, alright? Those creators, they're doing their things. This is for you. Yeah, you. The struggling creator. Trying to figure things out. Listen up. Don't worry about titles. Do not worry about descriptions. Do not worry about thumbnails. None of that crap. Let's talk about the human nature, okay? Listen, if I myself click a video, it was because of what I saw first, okay? For a brief moment, a millisecond. But after that, it's over. I clicked. I'm going to tell you the truth. That video has about 10 seconds or less to grasp my attention, or I'm gone to the next one. And I'm sure the same for you, right? Keep that in mind. That's all humanistic nature right there. Right. Next. And this is the part where we can't be discussing algorithms. Because yeah, there's software in the background working. But here is the secret I found. YouTube determines your worth to them. Alright? If they see even minor potential in you, they're going to give you a pass. If you can't show them your minor worth, forget it. You'll be creating for days and years. Yeah. Here's the most important part and the telltale sign. YouTube promotions. Yeah. I guarantee 1,000,000,000%, and we know there's nothing beyond 100%, but I'm going to go bold on this one. I'm going to guarantee a 1,000,000,000,000%. If you were to promote one of your videos, you know what I'm talking about, pay them a fee. Guess what? They open up the gates for you. Yeah, think about it. You pay them, and they open the gates and they let others in and you out more to reach other people. And all of a sudden you're happy. Woo! Influx of views, subscribers, shit, likes, comments, all that, right? But guess what? When that subscription runs out or you stop paying, yeah, you know where I'm going with this. It all goes away. Gone. Back to Mr. Normal. What does that tell you? YouTube is blatantly saying to you in your face while you're thinking of algorithms and changing your descriptions and copying what other people do with stupid fucking faces on your thumbnail. They're telling you, hey, if we were to back off and open them gates, your channel would be flowing a whole lot nicer than it is now. That's what they're saying. And not only saying, they're demonstrating this. Pay them a fee. Bam, gates are open. You're happy. When it runs out, gates close. You're back to scratching your head trying to figure out algorithms. If you missed what I'm saying here, okay? I'm going to try to bring it down in extra layman terms to you. All that mumbo jumbo talk does not work. If you have worth or seem minorly worthy to YouTube, it will work with you. Alright, you show potential. But if you have no worth, you're not worthy to them, good luck. Alright? You will be a content creator for the rest of your life, claiming you create videos because you just enjoy it and you like editing and all that nonsense. Ah. What do you think? Think I'm bullshitting? Okay? Do me a favor. Any one of you looking at me right now, and I know there's at least 5,000, maybe not at the brief moment, okay? Slip them some cash real quick. Grease YouTube's palms, alright? Promote your video. And watch how happy you become. Yeah, you know when you go to YouTube Studio and you see that little confetti? That confetti gets addictive, don't it? It does. I love seeing confetti. I don't see it much, but when I do, make my heart beats a little different, alright? Especially every time I refresh and that confetti still keeps growing. But I'm old school. I do love editing. I do love the journey. I love AI, but that's for another subject and day, alright? But I still wouldn't mind a little monetization or something besides what I normally get. I'd like my gates to be opened a little bit. But it's all good. I just thought I'd share that with you. Thoughts? Drop a comment. Haters are welcome. Alright? Oh, and while we're at it, I was trying to avoid it, but I guess I gotta mention AI a little bit. Artificial income. Listen, I know a lot of people don't like AI. They talk crap. You still hear that AI slop nonsense. I'm not AI. 1,000,000,000%. I am not artificial intelligence. Alright? You're looking at a human being. Obviously, I have a mask on. There's an actual real mind speaking to you. No prompts. I'm a handsome looking devil too, but not gonna get in all that conceitedness. Look at his jaw. Look at that jaw. That's Hollywood type jaw business. No plastic surgery. Anyway, promote or not to promote? Confetti or no confetti? Hey, what's the rush? Off to another channel to watch some more videos? I know. Hey, listen. Thanks for stopping by, watching my video, and before you leave, quick request. If you don't mind just hitting that subscribe button for me, I would greatly appreciate it, alright? See you next time.